All right, good morning, guys. A quick one. Some of our students in the group are complaining that they cannot navigate their chart or change some basic settings. First of all, when you open your chart, I think it is going to look like this when you first get your demo. So if you want to change your chart, like this chart now, look at this chart. Once you download it, I think it will be somehow white like this also. For some it will be black, and then the number will be by the side. That is the price of the asset you're selling. The pair will be by the side. You must have to see this price. Okay, so I want to customize the chart. Just pull from the side like this and then go to setting. So keep checking until you see setting. Look at setting here. Just click it. Click the setting button. Click the setting button and then scroll until you see colors. See color, click on color. Then this color, now you will come and customize your chart. Now this is scheme. There is scheme. Click on scheme and click on custom. You want to customize it the way you want it. So background, what do you want your background to be like? My background is black, so I'll change it from this white to black. Okay, so it has become black. Foreground, the foreground is where your price used to be. You understand? That is where there is to write price by the side. Okay, if your chart is black and your foreground is black, you will not be able to see the price of the currencies. So change, since you have chosen black as your background, change the foreground to white. Click on foreground, change it to white. My foreground is now white. Then grid. The grid is the line that is showing on your chart, those box line. I don't like it confusing me, so I will change it to black because my background is black. So since my background is black, I will fade my grid into black. So I'll choose black. All right, so volume, leave that one. Bar up and bar down. The candle that is going up, what color do you want it to be? Usually I like that my candle to be blue. Then the one that is going down, I want it to be red. So it is still the same thing as bull and bear candle. Bull candle is a candle that is going up, which is that bar up. So click on the bull candle, use the same color, that blue that you put on the bar up. Then the bear candle, bear is the one going down. Choose the black and then choose the red candle that you want. So that is all. So click done. Once you click done, go to your chart. You see that my chart has changed. You see the grid, all my price is shown because I changed it to white. So you see how it is now. Now there's a white line on top of my chart. It's called period separator. Don't worry, when you get on the mentorship, I'll tell you the value of those period separator. Okay, you need to have it because it divides all your trading into days. Okay, when you join the mentorship, you will understand what I'm saying. You will learn more. But if you want to remove the period separator, still push this thing, then go to setting. You will scroll around here, you will see show period separator. I don't know if you are seeing it. Show period separators. If you uncheck it, if you untick it, it will go. If I untick it now, I'll just come here. You see my period separator is not here. My chart is clean, very clean. I can analyze this, but I like, most of the time, since I'm a day trader and also a swinger, if I want to day trade, I can use my period separator. If I want to swing, I can just remove it. There will be no need for that. So, but I like it turned on, so I will go back to setting and then check it. Right, check. Yeah, there you go. Sorry guys, I traveled. I am not with my computer. That is why you see that some things are delaying. Thank you very much.